Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well, and in this video I'm just showing you my analysis. So basically on the 15-minute time frame, taking a Fibonacci retracement tool from that high to the very lows, which looks something like this. Zooming out, just the whole move pretty much. You can see we've got a golden pocket, guys. Oops. Golden pocket, which we're about to hit. We actually got an initial rejection of it already. However, it's providing some resistance as expected. But something interesting here, guys, is that when I take the fib, instead of the whole move, I take it to the most recent high, which is that one right there. You can see we have an important 786 level, as well as that previous golden zone. You can see golden zone, 786. Is it? Just look at the blue line, guys. This blue line marks the fact that there's an SFP high there, there's a 786 level here, and there's also a larger golden zone level here. So that's quite a lot of confluence, guys, that I'm really messing with. So I've set an alert for this line to get hit, and it says, the alert says SFP double 618 and 786 level. Treat this as an SFP level, meaning what I want to see, guys, is, so that's the level of interest. I want to see price action get above, get below, retest it, and then we start dumping, in which I would short. However, that would be going against the market, I think. So if I zoom out, you can see, actually no, we are in a pretty much downtrend. We are pretty much in a downtrend. So more recently we are in an uptrend, but this could just be if this is so clearly an impulse, so this has to be a, I don't know, A, B, C, or WXY and an A, B, C, A, B, C, whatever. Or it could be an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyhow, the move should come to an end. If this is a 5-wave move, you can measure the 5th wave target by getting a Fibonacci extension tool out from the high to the low, drag directly across, and then you reverse it. You can see here, guys, we have 1.236, 1.382 in the middle of nowhere, which is a bit annoying. But we also do have a 1.618 level, which is quite juicy, which I only just found out now, as you can tell. Gonna name this a 1.618 extension, and then I'm gonna set an alert on it as well. Treat as an SFP, and yeah, guys, now I can get rid of that. So this is the price action I want to see. I want to see a pump above, acceptance back below, in which I enter short, and we're looking for pretty much something like this, where stop loss would be above the highs, entrance and the acceptance back below the level, and yeah, targeting lower. Probably some fib levels from here, guys. Some fib levels from the high to the low, but we'll see when that comes. But for now, patience, wait for the level to get hit. I'm actually going to set another alert saying zone of interest, or ZOI, approaching. And until then, guys, but right now I'm trim looking expired. I'm about to go get a haircut, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Higher time frame bias not on our side. Daily time frame, getting a trend line connecting all these highs. You can see, zooming in, we traded above it, bit weak, got back below it, gained some strength. Now we are back above it. Tough one, because this could be classed, oh, that's an impulse to the downside. This could be just a rejection, could even be rejecting now. Golden zone, looking like it wants to stick to the plan, stick to the plan, stick to the plan, stick to the plan. But it's a lot of volume there, selling off. Doesn't look good. This looks like this wants to reject or retrace or return around. But you can see here that golden zone is providing, in line with them lows, previous lows, providing some resistance. So if we turn around, if we are going to turn around, it would be here. That's a trend line to look out for. But yeah, in terms of higher time frame, this could be another fake out, but because we already broke out of it, so kind of shows it's weak. The trend line is weak now, especially with multiple higher time frame closes, candle closes. So breaking below it now is a bit weak, so we could get above it and then actually reject. Or keeping it simple, you know, we are trading again above, outside of that trend line, so it's a clear break. But we just have to see how price develops, I guess. This is why you take profits, guys, or you protect your position, because look at that, look at this massive liquidity sweep. Look at that. TP here, protecting my position here. Bang, liquidity sweep. Oof, I would have got stopped out. So yeah, it's always good to protect your position. What I did here was I moved stop loss to break even, but then I moved stop loss to 1RR just because I'd rather get stopped out at 1RR than break even. That way I've made a little bit of money, at least, I can say. And obviously, as you can see here, bang, I would have got stopped out if I did touch my stop loss. And yeah, I'd be pretty annoyed. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on this thing.